Let us now move on to the next sutra in the Ashtadhyayi order, which is 3-126 Lakshana Hetvoho Kriyayaha. Lakshana Hetvoho Kriyayaha. So this sutram also gives us a situation in which Shatru or Shanach comes in as an Adeshaha for Lat. Adeshaha for Lat. And the vritti of this sutram says Kriyayaha Parichayake Hetau Charthe Vartamana Dhator Latah Shatrishanachau Staha. Okay, so what this means is when a dhatu, a verbal root, is used in the meaning of either lakshane, means parichayake, means it makes us familiar with, or gives us a characteristic of, or it gives us an attendant circumstance of another action. In English, in the translation, many times we can use the word while. So while doing something, someone does something else. So he does that other action while doing this one. So this action is one which gives us a characteristic of the other action. Take the example here, Shayanaha Bhunjate Yavanaha, which means that the Greeks eat while lying down. While lying down. So Yavanaha, the Greeks or foreigners, they eat Bhunjate, but Shayanaha. Notice one thing, by the way, Shayanaha is qualifying Yavanaha, which is ending in the Prathama Vibhakti. So therefore, what does that mean? 3-124 told us Prathama Samanadhikarane. So this usage would be disallowed by 3-124. But now, since it is used following a verbal root, since the lat is used following a verbal root, which is giving us the characteristic of the other action, which is the action of eating. Therefore, by this sutram 3-126, we can use the Shanach Adeshaha in place of lat. So this is one important situation even when we have Prathama Samanadhikaranyam, the substitution of Shatru or Shanach in place of lat can be done as long as that lat is following a verbal root, which is being used in the meaning of giving the characteristic or the manner in which another action is being done. So in English we can just say while. So while lying down, the Greeks eat. The Greeks eat while lying down. That is one situation in which Shatra Shanach can be used in place of lat even when there is Prathama Samanadhikaranyam. The second meaning is Kriyayaha Hetau. When a verbal root is used in the sense of Kriyayaha Hetau, then following that verbal root in place of lat, Shatra or Shanach may be used. Now the Siddhanta Kaumudi says Hetu is phalam athava karanam. Phalam karanancha. So it could be the result of another action because it's Kriyayaha Hetau. Kriyayaha Hetau. It could be the result of another action, which is the phalam, product. Is a product of another action, or karanam, it's the cause of another action. If a verbal root is used in one of these two meanings, then following that verbal root, we are allowed to bring the Shatru or Shanach Adesha in place of lat. For example, let us take in the sense of Hetau, in the sense of phale, the result or product of another action is Arjayan Vasati. Arjayan Vasati. Arjayan means earning. Same as in English, right? Arjayan is earning. Vasati means someone dwells or stays, resides. So someone resides in order to earn. In order to earn money. In order to earn something. A person resides. So he's residing there. And as a result of that, as a product of that, as a consequence of that, he is earning. So this is a case of hetau, where the dhatu arj is being used in the sense of being a consequence of, a result of the other action of residing. So as a result of residing, he is earning. So he is residing in order to earn. Now in the other meaning of Kriyayaha Karane, we can take the example. These are beautifully given in the Siddhanta Kaumudi. Harim Pashyan Muchyate. Someone is freed. Someone is released. Someone is liberated because of seeing Lord Vishnu. So this is the Karanam. This is a reason. Because of seeing Lord Vishnu, this person is released. So these are the two shades of Hetu. One is Phalam and one is karanam. Ajayan vasati means he dwells in order to earn. So that earning, the action of earning, is a consequence of him staying here, staying somewhere. And the second is karanam, which means that harim pashyan muchyate, which means that because of seeing Lord Vishnu, this person is liberated. So this action of seeing Lord Vishnu is the cause of the liberation. So these are two important situations in which Kshatriya Shanach is used in place of let even when there is Prathama Samanadhikaranyam. So please look to use this sutram, particularly when a verbal root is used Kriyayaha Lakshanarthe. Before going to the Jnapakam from 3 to 124, which we looked at earlier, Ladityanu Vartamane Punarladgrahanat Prathama Samanadhikaranye Kvachit. That is the Jnapakam. That is the subtle hint that Panini gives in 3 to 124, but we should not go to that unless it's absolutely necessary. In the example San Brahmanaha, there is no Kriyayaha Lakshanam, there is no Kriyayaha Hetuhu. So there is no way to use 3 to 126 really, and that's when we have to come to this Jnapakam. Otherwise, try to use 3 to 126 first. Of course, there are going to be some areas where it may not be as black and white, but as far as possible, use the sutram, particularly when a verbal root is used, Kriyayaha Lakshane. And if that fails, try the Hetav. If that fails, then come to this Jnapakam. So when there is a second action involved, generally we can manage with 3 to 126, or try to manage with 3 to 126. If not, then only come to the Jnapakam contained in 3 to 124.